so this is where we left off, right? Our first thing that we did was we received our inventory items, right? So now the next thing we have here is we're going to do a purchase order for some more ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. So what do we do with the purchase order?
No gonna lies.
No journalized. So what do we do with this though?
Vendor.
Not vendors.
Do you put that in the purchase orders?
You put this in this purchase orders, yes. Right, purchase orders number 17308. Who are we purchasing from?
Corner Brooks. Oh no, all things ceramic.
And how many mugs are we ordering?
80.
What's my estimated purchase order amount? $196.80. Okay. Good. So no transaction there, right? All we did was just order. So then let's take a look at what happened next. Here, Albert submits another order for the corner bookstore. Okay. Corner bookstore wants 10 pounds of regular coffee, 10 pounds of supreme coffee, and wants 5 coffee mugs. Okay, we're gonna charge up for shipping, and then of course, the estimated amount that the corner bookstore is going to be owing us is $127.75. Okay. So again, what do I do with this order?
It is a sales. So you go to the commissions.
Okay, now you said this is a sales. Did I sell these items?
No.
Okay, when will I be selling these items to them?
At the 20th.
On the 20th, right? It's still only the 18th. So in this case, this is just a sales order. But yes, you do need to update this into the commissions because it's a potential order that Albert can receive, right? So in this case, the corner bookstore okay, for, what did I say for? How much was it for? For a total of $127.75. Okay. So then it says right here, we're going to also put in another purchase order for some more regular and supreme coffee. So go back to your purchase orders here. For the regular and supreme coffee. Okay. Atlas Coffee Importers. Another 250 pounds of coffee. However, this one is going to be for the total amount of $370. Okay. So again, let's see. Did we receive the coffee for the $366.25? Yes, we did, and that was invoice number 320, I believe. So yes, we forgot to do that. Okay. So there you go. $370 for this purchase order here. So now we have to just keep looking out for these purchase orders. Okay. And then now we have another grand opening sales. Okay. I'm going to push this down to the next page so you can see it clearly. Okay. So let's take a look. Right. We got grand opening sales. Okay. We got some regular, medium regular, and large regular. And we also have medium supreme coffee and large supreme coffee sold. We even sold ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. And then now, again, we got subtotal here for $932.19. We got the 20% discount for $186.44. And we got tax $61.52, so giving us a grand total cash sales of $807.27. Okay. So, how am I going to record these sales? How am I going to record these sales?
So you would use the accounts for checking sales medium and large regular coffee and sales for medium and large supreme coffee and sales for ceramic coffee mugs.
Good, right? So in this case, right, since if you guys are using Excel, this makes it that much more easier to just be able to copy a transaction from one cell to another. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm just going to be, whoa, sorry guys. So there you go. I'm going to be copying the sale. So this is for 6/18. Okay, for 6/18. But the only difference here is I have to include another account for the sales of the ceramic coffee mugs, right? So I can put sales, ceramic coffee mugs. Okay. And of course, I'm also going to copy the sales tax here. And I'm also even going to copy the description saying, well, it is a grand opening sale. It was for 20%. Okay, but this time it's on a different day. Right? There you go. So now I need to figure out what was my account for the sales of ceramic coffee mugs. So let's take a look in our chart of accounts. Okay, for sales of the ceramic coffee mugs, that account number is $40,150. Excuse me, $40,150. Okay. So now let's go ahead and plug in all of my values in. Excuse me. So let's start with checking. How much money am I going to be putting into my checking account? What was my total cash sales?
807.27.
807.27. How much was my discount for?
186.44.
Okay. What was my sales for medium regular coffee? Excuse me.
161.19.
Sales for my large regular coffee?
236.21.
Sales for my medium supreme coffee.
206.67.
Large supreme coffee.
286.18.
And then ceramic coffee mugs.
41.94.
And then tax.
61.52.
Okay. Gonna go ahead and do my equals sum just to ensure I didn't make any typos here. So I have $993.71 on the left. 990. Ooh, I have a typo somewhere. I'm off by $3. So let's go over this again. 161. 236. 206. 284. Okay, I have 284. Oh wait, 286. 41 and 64. Oh, I put 64.50. But it needs to be 61.52. Okay. There you go. Now I match on both sides. 99371. Okay, so that is a great way to make sure that you didn't make any typos. Okay, to ensure that your debits equal your credits. Okay.
Now you would go to the general ledger.
Now go to the general ledger. Okay. Starting with the first one, checking, which we are here already. 618. In-store sales. General journal 6. For how much?
207.
807.27. So what's my account balance going to be?
1418.63.
1418. Good. Excellent. Next is sales discount. Here we are. For a total of 186.44. Which will bring my account balance to be
$358.71.
358.71. Okay. All right. And then we have to do all of our sales over here. So sales for medium regular coffee. How many cups did we sell?
Did you put together?
Yep.
All right, so 81.
We sold 81 cups.
I think it was 161.19.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So then what is our total ending balance in my medium regular cups?
318.40.
318.40. Okay. So then we sold some large regular coffee. Okay.
I think it was 79.
79. Let's see. Yes, 79.
236.21.
236.21. Bringing my account balance to be
45.51.
445.51. Good. Then we have our medium supreme coffees. 618. Okay, how many cups did we sell?
I don't remember.
We sold 83.
At 206.67.
Bringing my grand total to be
408.36.
408.36. Good. Then we sold some large supreme coffees for 82. We sold 82 cups.
286.18.
286.18. Okay, bringing my total cost to be, or sorry, my total ending balance
579.34.
579.34. Good. Okay. Now we have to backtrack because we have ceramic coffee mugs that we sold. So ceramic coffee mugs. Here we are. Okay. Okay, how many did we sell?
6.
We sold 6 of them. Okay, so 6 mugs. General journal number 6 for a total of
41.94.
41.94, which brings your account balance to 41.94. Okay. Last on the list is sales tax payable, so sales tax. Here we are, sales tax payable. It is up to you if you want to put 8.25%. That's completely fine too. I'm just putting that it was charged for the in-store sales. Okay. For a total of $61.52, which brings my account balance to be
118.35.
118.37. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. 1/11/1837. Okay. Good. Okay. So then let's see what has happened next, because this is an internal transaction once again. We didn't deal with anybody, right? These customers, we don't know who they are. Okay. But it does say right here that we need to deposit all cash sales to the bank. So go to your deposits, right? Because we received $807.27, and today is when we deposited $807.27. Right? Okay. And then let's see what happened here. In-store use. So we end up using 15 pounds of regular coffee, and then we have 15.5 pounds of Supreme coffee. Okay. So in this case, I need to update my inventory because this is perpetual inventory, right? I made my coffees perpetual inventory. So in this case, I need to have a cost of goods sold for regular coffee, cost of goods sold for Supreme coffee, and of course, I'm taking them out from my inventory, which is regular and Supreme coffees. Okay, 618, and it was for in-store use. Okay, but in order to figure out those numbers, we need to go into our inventory worksheet. So we sold 15 or used 15 pounds of regular coffee and 15.5 pounds of the Supreme coffee. So regular coffee, 618. We used 15 pounds. At what average cost per item?
Yeah, one like 1.60938.
Correct. So in this case, this is where your equal round formula is going to come into play if you are using Excel. If you are using a calculator, I would recommend to go like 2 more decimal places over to calculate this, because you are going to get a rounded-ish number. Okay. So in this case, how much is my total cost of goods sold?
$24.14.
$24.14. So therefore, we need to take this amount out from our inventory. So if I sold 15 or used 15 pounds, how many pounds should I have left remaining?
225.
225. And if I started out with $386.25 and I sold for 24.14, how much should be my total cost in my inventory?
362.11.
362.11. So here, the cost per item has not changed by much, so that means we are okay. All right. So remember, this 362.11 is something that we need to make sure that our books in our ledger also reflects that number. And we have 24.14 as our cost of goods sold. So let's go ahead and figure out Supreme coffee. Okay, so it's the 18. How many pounds did we use?
1550.
15.5. Now in this case, because we're using FIFO, right? Which batch of inventory am I going to be taking out first at what cost?
The 180.
The $1.80, yes. Okay, the first batch of inventory. So in this case, how much is my total cost of goods sold here?
$27.90.
$27.90. So now I need to update my inventory because I'm at 109, 109.5 minus another 15 and a half. How much quantity should I have left on hand?
$125. Oh no, wait.
94.
94 pounds left. So therefore, you should have a grand total of 219 pounds left at a grand total of 397.70. Yes. Okay, 397.70. Okay. So again, cost of goods sold is $27.90 for my Supreme coffee. Okay. So back to your journal. We have 24.14 and we have 27.90. Okay.
And now we go to the general ledger.
Now we go to the general ledger. Good. Okay. So starting off with cost of goods sold for my regular coffee. I used how many pounds? General.
6.
7
Oh no,
now.
7. 7.
Yeah, because we just changed our to a new journal. Okay. For $24.14. So my account balance in my cost of goods sold for my regular coffee is going to be
4014.
40.14. All right, coming down here to Supreme Coffee. All right, we used 15 and a half pounds. I think I messed up one up there. I think it's just only 15, not 15 and a half. Yeah. And this one is 15 and a half pounds. I don't know why my cells keep moving. Okay, general journal. General journal number 7 for another $27.90. So therefore my account balance is going to be 55.8. Okay. Last but not least, we need to update our inventory accounts. So let me locate my regular coffee. Here it is. Regular coffee. We used 15 pounds. General journal number 7. For how much?
$24.14.
Okay. Which should bring my account balance down to
$362.11.
362.11. And does that match my inventory worksheet? Yes, it does. For 362.11. Okay. Last but not least, we got to update our Supreme coffee. Because we used 15.5 pounds. Okay. General journal 7. And then for a total of $27.90. So what is my account balance now in my Supreme coffee?
$397.70.
$397.70. And does that match my inventory worksheet? Let's see. Yes, it does. $397.70. Okay, so again, use those as reference points to make sure that you did your accounting accurately. Okay? All right. Now,
I
question.
gotta mix. Can you go up to the regular coffee real quick?
Reg.
This never-
Okay. For the ledger. Okay, regular coffee.
Okay, thank you.
And your Supreme coffee matched?
Yeah, mine's a pink.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. So, let me see what is there. So, again, that was an internal transaction, right? So, no need to use a subsidiary ledger for this. Now, question to you. Do I need to do the cost of goods sold for my ceramic coffee mugs?
Yes.
Why?
Because you gotta keep track on what you sold for ceramic.
Okay, so for ceramic coffee mugs, what kind of inventory tracking method am I using to keep track of it?
Periodic.
So does that mean I have to do it all the time every time I sell something?
Oh,
When do I actually keep track of my sales? When do I actually know how many items I sell?
End of the month.
At the end of the giving accounting period. So in this case, right, mine is at the end of the month. In this case, so do I need to keep track of my cost of goods sold for the ceramic coffee mugs?
no.
No, because I have periodic inventory. Okay? So what I'm going to have you guys do is, let me see what the next transaction is. Okay? I'm going to stop here for today. I'm going to let you guys go for your weekend. Okay? I don't want to move too fast or move too slow. So in this case, this is exactly